LDA sinduna waterbird motivational camp pangthokre. Loktak Patta Houramba Tharo-Thambal Mangsinlakle amadi Wainu Chara Mutkhre. Loktak Patta Houramba Charang Pambi Leiraktre amadi Wainu Chara Fumdi da Hauba Fau Makal ama Mutkhre Kabokang Mutkhre Tharoi Taraktre Tharo-Thambal Hauraktre haina LDA gi chairman M Asinikumarna Fongdokre. Wafamasi Sendrada Leiba LDA gi conference hall da Directorate of Environment and Climate Change Government of Manipur Forest Department Government of Manipur gi mityeng makhada Indian Bird Conservation Network amadi Loktak Development Authority ga punna khutsamnana sinduna pangthokiba Waterbird Motivational Camp ing 2015 da fongdokhibani. Thauramadu LDA gi Chairman M Asinikumar Environment and Climate Change Government of Manipur gi Director Dr. T Brajakumar LDA gi Project Director NG Sanazauba IBCN State Coordinator Loinana Mangolnganbi College Ningthaukhongi Principal R.K. Birjit Renowned Water Birds Conservationist K. Jugeshwar Forest Park and Sanctuary Kaibul Lamjau National Park ki Assistant Conservator N. Pravirna Athoiba Mithunglen oina sarukyaki. Asinikumar na makata na hairiba pambi sing mutsilakba asina chananaba chinjak laishilaktabana chinglon lana pairaklamba uchek makal kaya pairakhidre mamang chahidasu uchek makal yangkhairom tamak pairakhi hairi. Ecology da ahongba kaya lakbana Loktak ta ahongba kaya lakhre. Haujikti Loktak ki lin season peak season laitrabanina Loktak ta fanglamba flora fauna kaya fanglakhidre maramasina Loktak kanba haiba asi department khaktagi amadi lenga khaktagi natte aikhoi khuding makini maramasina Loktak kannanaba hotnabada aikhoi khudingna thodang lawminasi haiki. Thauramadu da wangangloi kayana waterbird singna piriba kanabasing amadi waterbird sing kamdauna counting tawgani haibagi matangda sugaina fongdokhi.